SUPPLYZ stands for Acoustic Intelligence. Every physical change has an acoustic implication. They're leveraging AI to help manufacturers detect anomalies and defects in real time. Now, Felix, you are going to have to explain this to me. How does acoustic intelligence work?
So we focus on detecting defects that you can't see with the human or machine eye. Those defects are, for example, cracks or pores in objects that are cast or welded. Now, because you can't see them, we can hear them. Think of a guitar. If you just look at it, you don't know if it's in or out of tune. Once you start playing it, you will hear it. And that's because of the stress in the guitar string.
Love that analogy. And how have you been using the 3DEXPERIENCE platform to help you with that development?
So to gather the data, we've developed our own precision sensor. It needs to be very compact, it needs to be robust for the industrial environment. And we've used the whole platform to design everything from scratch and make sure that it works, and it works the first time.
Thank you so much, Felix, for introducing me to this new term, acoustic intelligence.